and thank you for tuning into Here with Kazjmere. I'm your host Kazjmere, and today I'm going to show you how I got this beautiful full set with the Joytii gel polish nail kit. I ordered this kit off of Amazon and it was very inexpensive. It comes with 16 polishes, 14 of them are regular colored polishes, and the rest are the base polishes that you need in order to adhere the nails. And here's a cute little sneak peek. Starting with the prep, I have already pushed back my cuticles with my metal cuticle pusher. I'm taking my file and I'm going around my cuticle edges just to make sure that there are no dead skins. And here you really want to take your time to make sure that the nail surface is completely clean. Obviously, if you have a nail drill, it's going to be super duper easy to get into all of those nooks and crannies, but if you don't, it's okay, and you can definitely use a nail file. Now I'm taking this little cuticle nipper and I'm going around my cuticles, and I am just making sure to get all of those little flaps and flyaways as far as the cuticle goes. And now I'm using my file to just run over my nails and make sure I have a nice clean base. So now I'm going to use some alcohol to just dehydrate the nails and ensure there's no moisture left in them. And I'm just going to wipe away the alcohol. These are the soft gel nail tips that we are going to be using today. They are from Gootrades and I got this off of Amazon as well. The bases are very flexible and thin, and the tips are a lot more durable and hard. So they're going to be really nice and flexible when it comes to application. Here I am applying the nail, and I'm just moving my nail from side to side because you want to make sure that your side walls are covered. That is going to make sure that your nails last and do not lift because there's no interference on the sides making them come up. And as you can see, I'm just laying them out so that the application process goes a lot smoother. You do not want to be going back and forth trying to pick off these nails, but here they are. After you have all of your nail tips laid out, you want to go through and just file down the sides to make sure that it is a true fit to your nail, and just size it up again to make sure that the side walls are flush, and make sure that the cuticles are like perfectly rounded because that's going to give you the perfect shape. Then you want to go on the inside with your nail file just to roughen up the surface so that the base has something to stick to. Here I am showing you the reinforced gel polish that comes in the kit that you use in order to adhere the nails to your nail. And you just want to go in with a relatively thin coat on your natural nails and make sure that you cap off the free edge. After the coat, you just want to put your hand into the UV LED light and cure. I cured for 60 seconds because that's what I was comfortable with. Then you want to take your nail tip and put a little dollop at the base of the cuticle. I spreaded mine out to the edges so I could make sure that there was gel there. And then applying the nail tip, you want to start at the base of the cuticle and slowly drag that gel down so that it covers the entirety of your nail, and then you're going to cure for 60 seconds. Now honestly, it took me a little minute to get this process down. Your girl was struggling, and that is okay. Honestly, sometimes it takes a couple of tries in order to get it right, but do not put your nail underneath the lamp until it is completely free of air bubbles. this is how my set has come out so far, and now it is time to clip to your desired length. Personally, I like medium length square nails, but tapered slightly on the sides. Now once you get done clipping your nails to the desired length, you're going to go in with your nail file and just further define the shape. Here you see me attacking those side walls right there because I do not like my nails too wide. I like them just right and nice and slim. So you're just going to keep filing until you get them to the desired shape that you want. Now we are about to get into these beautiful nail polishes, honey. So like I said before, there are 12 colored polishes and the rest are going to be the base coat polishes that you need in order to adhere the nails. Now I'm going to take the base coat polish and apply a thin coat of this base coat to my nails, and then I'm going to be curing all of them for 60 seconds. Once I am done letting everything cure, I am going to take this beautiful color right here in J07, and I'm going to, again, very, very thinly paint a coat of this colored polish onto my nails, and I'm going to cure my nails again for 60 seconds. Don't forget to cap your free edge, which is basically making sure you put a little bit of nail polish towards the tip of your nail. That just helps encapsulate the whole entire nail. After painting my nails with a second coat as well as the top coat, I'm going to go ahead and ensure that they are dry. And then I'm going to spray them down with alcohol, and I'm going to wipe them down just to make sure there's no more of that sticky residue that's always left behind when you're done doing your gel nails. And this is the finished set. Thank you all so much for tuning in to Here with Kashmere. I really do appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, definitely leave a like and subscribe so that you won't miss any of my future uploads.